Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to the channel. This is Sohail with you today with another brand new video. Well, today is the day 8 of my trip to the Dolomites, and this morning we're taking a little bit easy. We woke up and admired the views from our hotel window. And we're basically surrounded by the mountains. There's a massive mountain right in the front of the hotel. We had a delicious breakfast in the hotel, and then we relaxed a little bit and then started the ride for the day. Today's ride looks something like this. We have to stick by to the lower grounds today because the weather forecast is that there is snow on the higher ground, so we had to construct a slightly smaller loop. It is still about 75 miles, but which is a decent ride for the day. So we're going to be heading out from the base camp, and we'll go towards the mountain and towards our first pass of the day, which is called Sibiana Pass. Now on the other side of that road, we will go as far as Duran Pass, and then come back through the valley, and we'll be heading towards the main road, which is again another valley. Then up this road we head towards the completion of the loop, and that's where we'll have a bite to eat for lunch, and then eventually going back through further valleys and head back to the base camp for the day. Now, thanks to Mirza Saab, we've got a fantastic kind of central place as a base camp, which basically means that any direction that we go from our base camp within about 40, 50, maybe even 60-mile radius, we've got fantastic roads, fantastic scenery. You basically cannot go wrong with the views.
So, the map again. So we're here now.
Yeah.
Main road पर जा सकते हैं
Yeah.
ठीक है ना?
ठीक है. Do I need like a nice little village spot or something?
It's like 52 minutes, you know. So, but I can turn out, you know. Or if I see something, you know, really nice town or something.
Yeah, that's fine.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
I could just do restaurants.
Yeah, but we have a look whatever's sort of like en route.
चल ठीक है.
And that.
Well, this was interesting. We got stopped by the Italian cops. They asked for the documentations. We gave them our passports and registration documentation for the bikes, and they had a look around. Went to the back of the car. I guess they're checking electronically, and a few minutes later they handed the documents back, and away we went. They were very professional, didn't really ask us any other questions at all. So yeah, that was not a bad stop then. Well, guess who we spotted at the local kebab shop? It was Arshad Saab. He was just coming back from Lake Garda, and it was nice to catch up and enjoy the lunch together. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We certainly had a fantastic day. Myself and Rizwan, we had this wonderful ride. It was quite a relaxing ride today. Mirza Saab and Dr. Saab did the same loop that me and Rizwan did yesterday. And obviously Arshad Saab was coming back from Lake Garda. So we all had a fantastic day. In the evening, we got together for tea. Rizwan treated us with some tea and cakes at the hotel to celebrate his birthday. So it was a really fantastic end of the day. Tomorrow we head back on our return journey from this fantastic place, Cortina, and we'll be heading towards Austria, and hopefully, if the weather is good, go through the Stelvio Pass. So until then, take care.